This 2026 Gulf Stream Yellowstone Y6280LE is a Class C RV. It is located in Wharton, Texas, 77488 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features ALMOND interior, sleeps 6, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2026 Gulf Stream Yellowstone Y6280LE is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.